Since our last round in December, my committee has been following up in hearings with DHS on issues with our public benefit system, and this is a timely opportunity to continue that oversight. Unfortunately, district residents have long been plagued by inadequate, error-ridden, over-budget, and underperforming technology systems. Just yesterday, residents trying to apply for emergency rental assistance saw their applications time out or anticipated wait times of more than a day because of lack of capacity. That means people potentially missing work, family obligations, or health care to have some chance that they can get help paying rent. Today, we're having another hearing on DCAS, which the district has spent hundreds of millions of dollars to develop, but which we continue to hear is plagued by errors in either the system itself or its implementation. And bugs in the program or gaps in training or staff aren't just an inconvenience. The real-world consequences is that families can go for months without money they are entitled to receive for food or housing. They face desperate situations without any clear timeline or path to support. They often have to file a complaint, rely on legal advocates, go to the Office of Administrative Hearings, and even get rulings in their favor, and still they wait to get their benefits restarted. This is trauma and deprivation inflicted by our government on our lowest income families, whether intended or not. We were just told within the last few days that the federal government has now assessed a financial penalty against the district because of error rates for SNAP have remained too high for too long. So the federal government is out of patience, just like residents. Later today, I want to understand the impacts of that penalty. We also know that while DHS has made substantial progress in timelines and managing SNAP applications, it seems that progress has stalled for the last several months while we are still operating slower than federal standards. We have to figure out what our roadblocks are and what we are going to do to push through them. A city with the amount of resources we have, a city as progressive as we are, should not be among the worst in the country processing public benefits. And we certainly shouldn't be among the worst after spending hundreds of millions of dollars on technology to fix the problem. I know a lot has been done since the last roundtable on this topic, and I want to hear about that today, but we also have to understand that we must do better, both to meet the needs of our residents and to follow federal law. I look forward to hearing about how we're going to get there, and I want to thank our public witnesses and our government witnesses for being with us today. Thank you.